Vicente J. Campa, Jr. and Perfecto M. Pascua versus Honorable Eugene C. Paras, Presiding Judge, RTC Branch 58, Makati City, and the People, GR number 250504, July 12, 2021. Facts of the case are as follows. In 2007, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas filed a complaint with the DOJ against officers of Bankwise Incorporated, including petitioners Vicente J. Campa Jr. and Perfecto M. Pascua, for violating the Monetary Board Resolution number 1460 in relation to Section 3 of Republic Act number 7653, or the New Central Bank Act. The BSP accused the petitioners of issuing unfunded manager's checks in failing to present proper documentation for the bank's acquisition of assets. After the proceedings, the case was submitted for resolution on August 2008. However, the DOJ took over 10 years to resolve the case. In February 2019, the DOJ found probable cause and filed multiple criminal informations against the petitioners. The case was referred to the Regional Trial Court, RTC Branch 58 of Makati City. In 2019, Campa and Pascua sought the dismissal of the charges on the ground of inordinate delay in violation of their constitutional right to a speedy disposition of their cases under Section 16, Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution. They argued that the DOJ's 10-year delay in resolving the investigation was unreasonable. The RTC, however, denied their motions, ruling that the delay was neither vexatious, capricious, nor oppressive, due to the complexity of the case and the voluminous records involved. The court also cited the change in leadership at the DOJ over the years as another factor contributing to the delay. The petitioners then filed a petition for certiorari under Rule 65 with the Supreme Court, alleging grave abuse of discretion by the RTC for failing to dismiss the charges despite the delay. So the issue of this case is whether or not the 10-year delay by the DOJ in resolving the preliminary investigation violated the petitioners' constitutional rights to a speedy disposition of their cases. Now, the court held that yes, the 10-year delay by the DOJ in resolving the preliminary investigation violated the petitioners' constitutional right to a speedy disposition of their cases. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the petitioners, granting the petition and holding that the 10-year delay constituted an inordinate delay. The court emphasized that under the balancing test, as refined in Kagang versus Sandigan Bayan, such a delay violated the petitioner's right to a speedy disposition of cases. The court found that the DOJ's delay was unjustified and unexplained, as the investigation was already concluded in 2008, and no new evidence or investigation was conducted thereafter. Furthermore, the DOJ failed to demonstrate a valid reason for taking over 10 years to issue a resolution. The Supreme Court nullified the RTC's orders and dismissed the charges against Vicente J. Campa and Perfecto M. Pascua.